We're unspottable. What are you gonna do about it? Oh, I'm totally spotted on this trailer. Holy shit, that's black. What logbook? I gotta go spot something. Oh fuck, I broke it. Holy shit, that's heavy, but I got this. I hope Blaine didn't see that. Yeah, it's supposed to do that, it's doing a burn. Spotswell's my middle name. I got a permit. Matter of fact, I got two, it's so heavy. Do you have something that needs spotted?
Hello?
Yo, we got the picker broke down here west of Airdrie. We're gonna need you in ASAP.
Copy that. Over and out. On my way in. Every once in a while, any trucker knows. You own a truck, drive a truck, eventually someday it's gonna break down. So today, unfortunately, the picker broke down, so I gotta go rescue it. What I'm about to show you has never been seen before.
It's Angel does. Take it easy, Holmes.
Running with the lonely, thought California raised us right. Kicking our feet routine, but what are we all trying to find out? Two worlds collide, paralyzed, just in time. Oh, two worlds collide, paralyzed. Time, oh, two worlds collide, paralyzed. Just in time, oh, two worlds collide, paralyzed, but we're strangers, right?
Alright, so now that I'm here, I'm not very fond of having to go on a location with the wheeler, especially the older ones that are reclaimed, so I'm just going to stop on the road. I go in and eyeball it up. Looks like I can make it around. Spoiler alert, I didn't make it around, I got stuck. And then I got the old Hudson's truck was on the scene that I used to drive for my buddy Sheldon. He tried to pull me out. He got stuck with his highway tires. And there was a hose there, but he had a blown hose. He was waiting for a part, but he pulled this out. Got squared away, got some chains on. Pulled that picker around, got it on the trailer. In and out. Only a few mistakes.
Loving like a machine. What have you sacrificed? Lost in the crowd, fighting to feel found. Became a stranger, save your life. Two roads collide, paralyzed, just in time. Oh, two roads collide, paralyzed, just in time. Oh, two roads collide, paralyzed, just in time. Oh, two worlds collide, paralyzed. with the lonely, but California raised us right. Kicking our feet, routine, but what are we all trying to find out? Two worlds collide, paralyzed, just in time. Oh, two worlds collide, paralyzed, just in time. Oh, two worlds collide, paralyzed, just in time. Oh, two worlds collide, paralyzed, but we're strangers, right? Loving like a machine. What have you sacrificed? Lost in the crowd, fighting to feel found. But can a stranger save your life? Two roads collide, paralyzed, just in time.
Attention wheeler hounds all across central Alberta. So Sylvan Lake is the high load corridor if you're coming out of the west. So even though they put in a nice traffic circle, we can't go into Red Deer anymore and do the traffic circle and come back out on 2, which pisses me off. So Highway 20 through Sylvan now has another traffic circle right in front of the Tim Hortons. It's not too bad. It's bigger than the other one, and the curbs are rounded, so not too bad.
Worlds collide, paralyzed, just in time. Oh, two worlds collide, paralyzed, just in time. Oh, two worlds collide, paralyzed, but we're strangers, right? Just in time, oh, two worlds collide, paralyzed, but we're strangers, right? Running with the lonely.